Guys, Alvis here. Good day to do a little deck repair. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a DIY deck repair. See the rotten board here? I'm going to replace it with a new one. Okay guys, so I went down to Lowe's. This is actually, the board I'm replacing is a 14-foot board. I could not haul that on my truck, and the damage only goes to this floor joist here, which puts me at 8 foot. So I got an 8-footer decking board to put back in its place. All right, as you can see, I have marked it just shy of the floor joist because I'm going to cut it first so I can remove the damage without upsetting or cutting into the nail heads, and we'll deal with those later. Alright, so after the boards are cut, the easiest way I found to get it out without damaging the ones beside it is to go from underneath and hammer it up. So I put my flat bar in the crack, and it's this board here. So I'm getting ready to knock it up with a couple 2x4s nailed together. That way I can get it out without having to wedge it out from the top. Alright, so once you've knocked the board up from the bottom, you should have it up completely until you get to the cut, which is just beyond the floor joist. Alright guys, so in order to get the nail heads out without having to run your saw through, to get a clean cut, you go in this way. Rise up on the board gently so you don't break it. And once the nails come up, you hammer it back down and they'll stick out so you can cut them off. Alright, once you get the nail heads out, you lift the board up, hammer the board down, nails pop out, then you make a mark just next to the nail head so you don't see it in the print whenever you put the new board in. Use a framing square so it's all square. And then you make your second cut. Alright guys, so I measured the hole. I know what my measurement is. So now I'm going to measure, mark, and cut the board. Cut it. guys. So now we have a completely replaced decking board.